Step 1. Find the right parking spot maintaining a parallel distance of 2 feet. Step 2. Align the car's right side mirror with the rear edge of the parking space in front. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and continue driving until you can see the license plate of the car behind. Step 4. Straighten the steering wheel in reverse until your left rear wheel is on the boundary line. Step 5. Turn your wheel fully to the left and reverse until your car is centered in the parking space. Step 6. Straighten the wheel and center the car.